Welcome guys. Let's do Baked token technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video until end because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and targets. Current rank of this token is 226 and price of this token is $1.19 right now. Market cap of this token is $367 million. That is good. 24-hour trading volume of Baked token is 63 million. Circulating supply of Baked token is just 192 million only. And total supply of Baked token is 277 million only. And let me please show you some statistics. After that, I will show you the website and the charts. Here you can see on Monday 28 September 2020, price of this token was just 8 cents and after that price goes to $8. And all-time high of this token was on May 2, 2021 about 7 months ago and the price was $8.38. All-time low of this token was on November 9, 2020 about 1 year ago and the price was $0.00848. And here you can see this coin's price drop is 77% right now and it is good time to buy this token, but do your own research before buying this token. This token gives 11,402% profit to its holder in 1 year and it is available on Binance, MX Global, Bitrue, Gate.io and some other important exchanges. And if you want to get this token on Binance exchange, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get this link. Click on this link and create your account. This is Binance exchange link. After registration, you can get $710 bonus. After deposit, you can get this bonus absolutely free. And you can also grab $5,680 bonuses of these exchanges, which are absolutely free bonuses. Just register with my affiliate link, grab these bonuses, and after that, trade with these free bonuses. Put your seed money away, just trade with these bonuses and earn free profit. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let me please show you website. This is the website of this token and here you can see it is very important exchange and it is very important token. And this is the NFTs. You can buy NFTs from here. You can swap different kinds of token and some other important features this exchange has. So you can search by your own and after searching that you can buy this token. And let me please show you my first chart. This is Baked USDT for a 1-day chart and here you can see it is in this ascending wedge, you can say ascending triangle. And here you can see this is down trend line, this is upper trend line and price is at $1.90. After creating top at $3.28, it is now at $1.90. Once it break this once it break this upper trend line, in that case price definitely will boost. We may consider that kind of action. After touching this, price can go to this, to touch this $2.28 price area. And once it broke this area, in that case, our target will be like this. And this is the target of this ascending wedge, or you can say ascending triangle. And once it broke this and closed daily candle above this area, $2.30 price area with strong volume, in that case this will be the target, $3.04. And second target is $3.28. And after that there are several targets. Let me please show you. For our third target will be $4.47. And after that our target will be this area, 6.54. And after that 7.44 and 8.28. These are the targets. Note down these targets and this token can easily hit these targets. But for this it have to break this downtrend line and downtrend, and it have to break this horizontal uptrend line. And let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume is missing. We need strong volume confirmation. Once strong volume confirmation comes, in that case definitely price will boost. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon. Once candle closing above this EMA ribbon and close 4 hourly candle above $2.30, in that case it is going to hit $3, $3.28, and after that $4.47. These are immediate short-term targets, but for this it have to break this strong resistance. And let me please show you RSI. RSI is at 43. Anything below 50 is called bearish, and it is bearish. Once it cross 50, in that case price will boost, and otherwise maybe some sideways action we may see. MACD crossover towards downside and red towers are coming. In that case price may be some down to retest this zone, and it is at $1.78, $1.80. In that case, after touching this, I think price will boost again, and price will bounce again, and after that it will hit my targets. And let me please show you my second chart. This is important chart. This is weekly chart, and here you can see it is in this consolidation phase in between $2.43 to $1.44. Once it closes daily candle above $2.44, in that case it will break this strong horizontal resistance. In that case our target will be like this. This will be the target. First target will be this area, 3.28. Second target will be 3.50, and third target will be $4.09, and after that $5.86, and after that some other targets. But now let me please show you first of all some indicators. There is a good volume in weekly chart. That is a good sign. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Weekly EMA ribbons, it is trying to break. Once it break $3, $2.50, in that case it will break this weekly ribbon, and that will be the good sign. And let me please show you weekly RSI. Weekly RSI is at 46. It have to cross 50 in order to move towards upside. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, CPR. This is monthly CPR, and these yellow dots are monthly CPR supportive lines. And first CPR target is $2.40, second CPR target is $2.79, and third CPR target is $3.18. These are the targets for this month, and you have to note down these targets. And let me please show you target of this bull run, and I think this will be the realistic target. I think so. First of all, let me please cover this, and let me please fix it. Here you can see it is at bottom now. Once it crosses 0.23, in that case it will break $2.51 price area, and after that this area is very important, 0.38, and it is at $3.15, and after that 0.5, and it is at $3.68, and after that 0.61, it is at $4.20. Once it crosses $4.20, in that case it will be bullish, and after that it will hit my targets. My target for this bull run for this token is $10 price area. Maybe it can easily hit this target. $8 to $10 is my target, and it can hit this target, and this will be your money will be, I think, 5x easily. But for this it have to break this area this is very important area. And these are the targets, guys. This is the video. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your crypto community and friends. And if you want to get these bonuses, $5,680 bonus, Binance $710 bonus, Fimex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, UB $170 bonus. Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free. You can trade with these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable. Just trade with these bonuses only. Put your seed money away and trade with these bounces only and earn profit. This is zero risk-free trading strategy. Risk-free trading strategy. And thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.